The airplane is. You may get on now.
What did they come from? Let's see if you push the advertisement from.
Finally. I've been waiting for a long time. Me too. Don't mind the background. But if you can't hear it, that's just the background. And it's already breaking well. Ah! Oh, I forgot to put seat belts on them.
Turn this shit off, dude. Your music clearly sucks.
Pumpkin, get up. Pumpkin, get up so I can put your seatbelt on.
There is no thanks.
I'm not putting on my seatbelt. Very cool. Me too.
Yo, it's stinking.
Bro, don't mind the background.
I caught you. See? You're saying that this guy's theory.
If you heard like,
You're
yo
a theory.
stinkai. Yo stinkai. Yeah, if you heard
Yeah,
that,
right here. You're right here.
that's my brother.
What?
I don't know, what did I say?
I know the character. I can beat you. Goku Black can beat you.
Well, we're going to lift off in 5, 4,
He's
3,
corrupted with Ryatsu.
2, 1.
Really, Roblox?
You guys should have worn your seatbelts. Ah! Yeah, we should have worn our seatbelts.
No rude behavior. No harassment for staff or customers.
I'll just wear my seatbelt like this. How did you guys even do that?
Speak to staff before I have any problems. Most important rule: have fun and enjoy yourself.
Holy frick! Go up for Yo, who's driving? Nobody, bro. Ah!
Oh yeah, you're done, so buddy.
My back hurts.
Choose death. All there's a moderation, okay?
Guys. Uh-oh. This is not how it's supposed to go, bro.
It's funny.
We were just here for a ride.
What was that wrong user? What is it?
Oh. Oh,
Favorite Kool-Aid first? Okay.
We're gonna lose some passengers. For one. Ah! Apple, no!
A moderator who's never read his own rules.
Yo, I'm skydiving right now. What the freak? Ah!
Touching you.
Guys, don't let it rip apart. Or we're both gonna get. I'm trying. My seat belt.
Are you gonna have the crown?
Guys.
Where are you going, dude? I need you to perform.
Ah! Smell it. Don't worry.
That's an excuse. Thank you.
This is gonna rip half of my body for No, Melon, I don't wanna die. Uh-oh. Oh, frick.
The password is please and thank you. Oh, hey.
Where'd it go?
The password always has and always will be please and thank you. Oh.
I don't wanna
Okay,
die.
if there's no rainbows or no happiness,
We're never gonna die.
listen to this one. You're gonna let me right now. Oh, so thank you! Let me in now! That's it, I'm moving super Who's one person? Half? Okay. Let me up here, yeah.
I can't believe.
No, I'm up in here, yeah. I'm gonna let you up verbal warnings, okay?
I can't believe. I still.
Shit, you didn't use my avatar, no! Hold on. Oh shit. Hey! Oh, that's because
I should be dead already.
Yes. Oh shit, hold on.
I hope I don't get crushed. Whoa. Uh-oh.
Okay. 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 Okay.
I'm using this as a quick. He will love this
But
brush.
where's
Stick to
where's
the landing. So what the frick is that?
Jesse the puppet? I've never heard of Jesse Puppet.
Uh-oh.
So she should be on the stage performing right now? What are you doing on here?
Welcome everyone to this airport. Ooh, we made it to go in. Everyone get out! I'll just stay there. Me too.
It's because
And then, yeah. Yeah, crash. And then,
Damn. Okay.
holy frick, I didn't even know where it was gonna land on. Holy frick. How did you know?